If you want to keep a secret, you must also hide it from yourself. The fundamental rights of our democratic society just got a huge win with the Supreme Court's verdict calling for an expert probe on the Pegasus Snoopgate. The expert committee will investigate the serious charges of misuse of the Pegasus spyware by the Modi government to snoop upon its own citizens, cabinet ministers, opposition leaders, judges and journalists. The probe will be overseen by retired Supreme Court Judge Justice R.V. Ravindran, who will be assisted in the task by Mr. Alok Joshi and Dr. Sandeep Oberoi. The Technical Expert Committee comprises 3 subject matter experts. The Supreme Court stated that privacy is not just for journalists and politicians, but also about the rights of individuals. There are certain limitations on the right to privacy, but all decisions should be under the constitutional process. The Modi government had ample amount of time to explicitly deny its involvement in the Pegasus Snoopgate, but failed to do so. The court has also directed the committee to report on the involvement of any foreign authority, agency or private agency in using the spyware on Indian citizens. This was one of the major charges levelled against the Modi government by Shri Rahul Gandhi while opposing the use of Pegasus in India.
Pegasus is classified by the Israeli state as a weapon, and that weapon is supposed to be used against terrorists. The Prime Minister and the Home Minister have used this weapon against the Indian state and against our institutions. They have used it politically, they have used it in Karnataka, they have used it to scuttle probes, they have used it against the Supreme Court, they have used it against all the institutions of this country. The only word for this is treason. There is no other word for this. Right? And this has to be investigated and the Home Minister has to resign.
The expert committee has 8 weeks to make its report. The Supreme Court verdict comes as a huge win for the Congress party, along with every Indian whose right to privacy was threatened by the Modi regime.